Hey everyone, welcome back to another week of Meditate Year. We're trying to keep with the video version of meditation. Hopefully this resonates with folks. I really enjoyed making the last one, and I think it's a nice format to get a little bit more intimate and more connected versus just being purely audio. So this week, it's going to be just another quick meditation. But before we get started, I wanted to just talk a little bit quickly about a concept that I often think about, which is patience. As I'm sure all of you are experiencing COVID in different ways, it's definitely a time for patience. The things that we hope would be ready and that we could accomplish and do obviously have changed, and you know, we can feel this like rush to like want to get stuff done and to accomplish what we had desired. But this at the same time is an awesome moment in time where we can think about how we can be patient and how can we adapt ourselves to the situation and utilize time in a different way. I definitely think about it a lot in my own life. I was pondering on the question of, you know, if we could live forever, how would we live differently? And made me think that we would actually be kinder to one another. But because we know that we're going to die, we're the only species on the planet that knows that we're going to die. But because we know that, we rush to get things done instead of being patient. And if we knew that we were going to live forever instead, we would, or never ever have no idea that we were going to die, we might actually be inclined to take our time to do things, to experience life, to be there for our friends and family. Like, oh, I'll give a year to my life, like helping a friend, because we had no concept that we would ever die, right? And in that process, we would be more present for those around us, more present in our own life, and so I think about patience a lot, you know, and try to incorporate that lesson from meditation. Meditation is a practice of patience. You know, I've been sitting and meditating every day for 2 hours for a long time now. And some days my practice is so bad in the way I think, you know, you would typically think about it. And I just have to have patience that this is going to grow and develop in its own time. So definitely, hopefully this is something you'll think about in your own practice. I'm sure your own practice, you know, wanes and comes in and out, wanes and waxes. So just be patient with yourself. Patient but persistent. That's what my teacher would always tell me. Be patient but persistent. So, all right, with that, we'll get into our meditation. Thank you so much. Hopefully, if you're enjoying the music, it's a cousin friend who's a live set I'm playing in the background. His name's Ranjit. I'm going to link his music in the description below, so definitely check it out. And thank you again for tuning in for another week of Meditate Year. Much appreciation to you for sitting in for yourself and for you to join me. I really appreciate that. So let's get to it. I'm gonna lower the music a little. Okay, so we get started. Sit up straight, guys. Give yourself a good shake in a comfortable place. Focus on your breath in this triangular area, coming in and out of your nose. Try to feel the sensation of your breath coming in and out of your nose. Catch the exact location where you feel that breath and keep your attention there. That's it. Try to locate exactly where your breath is coming in and out of your nose. And keep your attention just there. If your mind wanders, no problem. That happens to all of us. Just gently bring it back to to the sensation of your breath coming in and going out. Coming in and going out. If your mind has wandered, or if you're having a hard time focusing your mental attention on your breath, for a few breaths, just breathe a little bit harder, a little bit more force from your nose, in and out, just with a little bit more force. Once you do that for a few breaths, you should be able to catch the exact spot where your breath is coming in and out. It should help calm your mind a bit. And once you do, go back to your normal breath while keeping your attention on the exact spot you felt your breath. Nice job, everyone. Keep it up. Be patient, but persistent. We're almost done, guys. Leave the past behind and start again. Start on this next breath. Just focusing on it coming in and out. Let the past go. Just focus on your next breath. That's it. Nice job, everyone. Before you open your eyes, let's just take a moment together to think about some of the things we're grateful for. Gratitude is just a nice way to fill our minds with positive thoughts. And even during tough times, there's many things we can be grateful for. The food we're eating, the people who brought that food to us, or cooked it, or even brought it to a grocery store. Maybe the people who take care of the building you live in, the garbage man, the recyclers, government officials, whoever they may be. Just try to be thankful. Our family, our friends, so many people. Let's have some gratitude for them. Send some positive thoughts their way. Big gratitude for Ranjan for this amazing music. Wow, it's awesome. And thank you to all of you. I appreciate you guys joining in. To our video director, Ula, behind the camera. Thanks, guys. Hopefully all of you are well. Please leave a comment, like the video, or just let me know what you think about this new format. So, till next week, have a great day and a great week ahead, and sending much love to everyone. Thanks, guys.